tense. This is like leather, what was it called? Like a leather whip that you hit the horse. You just move your wrist a little bit and the leather makes a noise, it's fast. If you have a stick, you do the same action with a stick, it's much slower. So the idea is that we are reflexive, we're in our balance, we have no tension whatsoever. And when we make an action, we can react fast. We can react from our partner's power created by big muscles. Now, when the power comes to us, it's up to the girls to catch the power. And that's basically what we're going to do. To catch the power, it's something called as bound energy. Bound energy, basically it means fast reaction of tension. If you throw me a ball, I catch the ball. But then I relax because I already have the ball. I don't have to keep squeezing that ball. And the game is to attack, relax. Move, attack, and relax. And I constantly play this game. So I never carry on 2 minutes, no breathing, tension building up, everybody's starting to go red in the face. We need to stop the music because otherwise somebody is going to die. And whatever level you are, when you're really little, it still works because you have so much energy. Like you, a juvenile, I want you to learn to hold the bones in a right position. You need to learn this. But once you're already an adult and you know where your bones have to be, can you try to stop doing the same thing again and again and again? You already know where your bones are. Try to become